on, Seagulls. But they don't like the bread anymore? Probably because Zave scared them all. Zave scared them all away. They're all over there now. They're gone. Come on, he scared every single one. Over here, Lily. He scared every single one.
What is that?
I don't know.
Why is she waving at us?
Oh, get back. Get back. They're coming. They're coming again. Okay, let's see. Please land. Please land. Please see the food. Shh, shh, shh. Sit down in Bubba's foot. Sit down right here. Yep, they see it. They see it. They're coming. They're trying to land. They're going. Shh, stay. You just scared one. Gotta stay still. Shh, quiet. They'll still land even with the cars. They don't care about cars. Stay. Get over here. Gotta be quiet. They have no clue I'm recording them. Hold this. Keep them on camera. Just hold it like that.
Bobby's scared. I'm like,
Tell him to stop. No, stay over here. Stay over here.
One's over there.
Are they coming for me? I got the flag. Throw it. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. They're gonna land right there. Right in
Oh
front.
my god.
They can't hurt you, don't worry.
Okay.
Are you scared?
No, I'm happy.
I'm scared.
I know.
Who did it?
I don't know.
Stay. Probably Bubby set it off. Stay.
Stay. You gotta do it.
What?
You put it right there.
Sorry, I was trying to just do this. Oh my, I'm telling him to stop. Stop scaring them! Quiet.
If he's scared them, I'm gonna just trip him and let him hit his head.